Dumelang sanibonani enda Absheni. Welcome to our new show, Hope Network Sports, where we're going to engage and analyze our sports and engage with all the people that have been in the sports fraternity. What's called fela bana badlala sports, be it soccer, boxing, cricket, everything else. We do not discriminate. We call upon everyone to come and join us in our studios. Today, Renale, one of our guys that has been playing this sports, have been playing soccer almost his whole life, has dedicated soccer to his life and Nsadlala Bolo. So he's going to take us through to his journey. How come akena ko sporting? How did he grow up? Today, ho etsahalang ka yena? So I'm not going to take the spotlight. He's going to introduce himself. I'm going to give him a platform to introduce himself. Good day, sir. How are you?
Ke sharp babzini waleso wena o jwang mana
Ke monate abuti man, ke monate.
Ithara.
Yeah, my bra man, welcome to the show today. We do not take this for granted. We really appreciate your presence for coming through. We would like to actually know about you, your journey in terms of sports. How did you come about playing soccer? What motivated you and all? But before, can you just introduce yourself to our viewers? Tell them gore wena o tswa kae, o no tshunang wa ntshwara.
Sure. Ke Katlauluke o hlahetse Lesotho original, and Katlauluke moved to Free State when he was still young, specific to Velkom. So I grew up ko Velkom in the Free State, playing Tiski, supporting Kaizer Chiefs, blind. So my wish was to play for Kaizer Chiefs. Unfortunately, we don't choose ourselves. This one must go there, this one must go there. So yeah, I grew up ko Velkom, Kilintwana, Kajala Tiski, just like any other black child to Kukasi, Kajala one palo, up until Honality trial ko Kronstadt, where I was playing for Steve Kompela's team called Shamrock Flowers. But that time Steve Kompela was still in Turkey. So I moved to Kronstadt from Velkom, and then Kronstadt, that's when Coach Augusto Palacios saw me. Then Bangkara ko Kronstadt Katla Josi, go Pirates.
Okay. So
1998.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
before fihla ko di trialing, ne?
Yeah.
What really motivated you to actually want to pursue Tiski to that level? Or o tlo ipona o dlala as a professional side, as a professional player. What is it what motivated you? Ke eng ntho e le horeng e o pushitse? And then how was the situation ko ntlong? Did you have the support from batswadi? Because what I know is sometimes when you play sports, how le ntwana, hona le batswadi ba bang, they're gonna support you, ba tlo rekela di boots and stuff, but then you find or other parents ba pallwa ko re ba paele dingosi tsa bona di ntho tse jwalo tse le tlo ba supporta gore ba pushe career tsa bona. So wena, what sort of pushed you from ko ntlong e ntseng gore o ipone o dlala bolo to that level?
Babzin, Lesotho, there are no opportunities, especially back in the days. So, la ball only how the Pirates and Chiefs. Later you move, like you walk from your home maybe 10 kilometers to go and watch whatever the TV discards that time. So in the so grew up watching Chiefs most of the time. So I fell in love with Dr. Kumalo, Botamuki, Botepo Mlatedi back in the day. So that's when I started loving Kaizer Chiefs. And that time in a dominator, Galatiski. But to be quite honest, Azanga kana hanori, nkaba like ball like professional. I never thought of that because of the opportunity still in Hadi also. So when we moved to Free State, that's when at least Rahman. This is possible. Even though okay, anyway, I lost my dad when I was 10 years old. So I grew up already fell my sister 3 so ke tla le Tiski a ke fitla Velkom ke bona Rahman mo at least the opportunity di teng ga dlala le majita ona le magodimane be leng gore ba dlala professional back gale kwa wa bona be re ba bonang go a ke bale so ka bona more maybe there's a possibility, even though Oledi le my sister ba ka ne ba sa batle fokol ka Tiski, except one sister of mine, she's late le ena she's the person a salang rekela soccer boots ke ena motho a nreketseng di-soccer boots ha ba ne ba qeta ho nselecta yona ra ko kasi wa bona. So hore ke dlale bolo professionally ke nke serious is because of the situation ya ko ntlong, and le situation ya hore ke dula le masestere fela le old lady wa bona, and the situation ya ko ntlong ha e sharp, re dula in one room ya di-shacks wa bo ya mekhukhu. So robala hona pleke one kaofela. So that's when I saw okay diski ya patala, and everybody is saying hey, mfano umnatu is good wa bona. So that's when lerato la bolo le la hanyane end up dropping out ko skela ke focus go disking gore tle se ba gone phela go high. Fortunate enough in Spanish ngwaneso, in Spanish unlike gore maybe ke dropile out ko skela and the next thing ke apaisise ga mo life wa bona, but at least in Spanish ke le ka gone pusha mo le mo. So yeah ke yona ntwe engaileng gore ke bane le passion because of situation ya go ntlong no se sharp. Yeah.
So how to o tla ka di trial o ya ko di trialeng
Yeah.
e tlile jwang daileng ya di trial ke eng ntwe e ntseng gore
Yeah.
ka re ka tsebra khale
Yeah,
go
for
no
sure.
di advertiseiwa ko di pampiring
For sure,
o
for sure.
utlwa ka bo mamang
Yeah.
so wena e tlile jwang ko wena
Ko Velkom mora ha ntse re dlala le Majita ona le godmane ngwene ba re ke Leonard Ponwane e ne le coach ya team yone ya Steve Khompela Shamrock Flowers. So ne re dlala nje le Majita ko stadium set ne ba se bitsa Zokabano Stadium, re dlala le bo Lefatsutsulupa bo Aubrey Mathibe now is at Chiefs. So a ntse re dlala mo ko di team tsa rona, then kanti ona le this godmane la o tlo shebella di game laso. Then after the game a lata mo la mpotsa gore hey kwena mamfa re ke ka mjotsa ga di katleo ke dula mo ka Soweto ona ra Velkom ona le ka sengwe re ke Soweto ke dula ona iso mo locationeng ka Soweto. Then ampotsa go dula le manko ha ka mchaela then a fitla go dladleni a bona ma sister raga then ba sa ba busy le sister raga yo one yeah ba busy le sister raga then sister la mlela ga since you saying you the coach before nna lona re ka pusha anything
Pusha
ntwana ga ke since o mnati.
Yeah.
So then Leonard Ponwane anganda kudala kudlaleni kusalimnyane kulimnyane plan I think I was 16 or 17. Then kavaya ka lotula Kronstadt ka dlala ko Shamrock Flowers even though I never played, and back then it was akere no ribitsa mvela.
Yeah.
That time in the first division team ya Steve Khompela in the first division ba dlala bo Kimberley ko wa ibona in so ne le magodmane nna ke le ntwana, but I never played up until ke vaya ko Kronstadt ya ngwana ke ena Leonard Ponwane a lang kankisa Kronstadt ko teameng ya Steve Khompela. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then ya Pirates ya ntwe e fihla jwang yona
Ha ntse ke le Kronstadt ntse re dlala ra Kronstadt wa etsahala gore di legend tsa Mojosi tsa Gauteng di lo dlala di legend tsa Free State bo Augusto Palacios bo Trot Moloto bo Shakes Mashaba bo Esther Khumani ba dlala le matime ba Free State the legend. So it happened during the curtain raiser rona.
Okay.
So we were curtain raising for bona ko stadium ra Kronstadt Lobcha Park Stadium. So once the curtain raiser mola after the game watla this godmane ne ba mitsa Brafani Molapo he used to work ko Bafana in security da but Lena is late now. So Brafani came to me after mpotsa gore coach Palacios o batla di phone number tsaka, and at that time di phone ne di le siko wa bona ne sponsor di landline. So ka ba fa landline ka mo next door akere ne ke dula club house Steve Khompela. So ka ba fa di phone number tsaka mo next door landline ka mo next door. I never thought gore ba tla phone because ga ba tseba batho ba bolo o say will call wa bona. So fortunate enough ya fitla call ka November 1998 they called, then bampitsa ka mo next door, then bampotsa gore ga dikolo di kwalo o tlo bana transport e tlo latang to come to Jozi. It happened like that.
That's
So
great
Brafani took my numbers and then he gave the numbers to Augusto Palacios. But motho phone it was not Augusto Palacios. I don't know who called. They just said to me, you must be ready dikolo di kwala ona le transport e tlo tla yo lata o tle di trialing ko Jozi. So ke the way o tsatseng ka teng maneso. So ha ke fitla Jozi still ene se a done deal. Fitla Orlando Stadium ho tletse ke di trial. Then ka fitla ka trial it took me only 3 minutes. Then I was selected. We were so many. I think we were more than 500 kids. But to try la. And my due sa fitla ko Jozi. Aketse be Zulu, aketse be fokol. Ke ifitlela wa excellent one. Ka fitla sharpo. I played only 3 minutes and Coach Esther and Coach Palacios, they were impressed, and then the rest is history. That's where I met Abutso Vilakazi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Korar udlalile libo Vilakazi, that group elabo the late Gift Liremi. It was under Manka that group.
Pabzin, akufika ku Pirates. Githotse Palacios already unandala team ya high.
Yeah.
Abutso Vilakazi, bo Thabang Stemere, that time it was Thabang Khatebe, goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Bo Machita bang wasadlala bo Thabiso Petlele.
Yeah.
Pilani Kubega, he played for
Yeah.
Vietnam for most of his life.
Yeah.
So arifika so, and then njengoba coach was like I only played 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Then kakena ku team ya Abutso Vilakazi.
Yeah.
So we played this reserve league. Back then it was reserve league. We played the reserve league and then yeah, 99. I came ka December 98. And then yeah, wakwalwa ka 20 then I went back home. Then barika January we come back. January 1999 we came back so we moved in this side.
Yeah.
So we played nabo nabo Thabang Stemere bo Philani. Real reserve team. Ya Pirates. Ngabona re coach ya Augusto Palacios and Esther Khumalo. Radlala same 1999. I was selected to under 20 national team together with Bona Botso. Then we went to France to play with France under 20 international tournament. We played there. We beat Brazil 1-0. Lucky Marcelo scored the goal. Still remember together with Abon Kantla Kubega.
Yeah.
We were together that side.
Yeah.
Bo Isaac Mabota. So when we came back from France, that's when we got promoted together. So it was myself, so Vilakazi, Thabang Stemere, Stanley Sibego is late now. We were 7 promoted to the first team.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, same 1999.
Yeah.
Yes, that's when I dropped out from Koskela because we went to France. It was in the middle of the year. We went to France. We stayed there, I think, 3 weeks. Then when we came back, already Skela Nesis Kasluli So plus Kamuli coach first team Trans Regime 2.
Yeah.
Regime was singing in the afternoon. And that time it was Mkandawir.
Yeah.
And Mkandawir was telling 99 Origins, I want everybody who's promoted here in the morning and in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So Skela, that's when Mutuala Kwela Skela, grade 11.
Yeah.
So I never got fit to metric.
Yeah. So enakana ko hlong ya hao.
Yeah.
Ho tsamayang in terms of I mean ko Pirates ba o promoteile ko strategy how vaya ho tlang ko hlong because I know the player is jwang di player dina once una le dading ya ro sign ke Pirates I mean ko strategy una le ntwele ya re manai wa bo I or maybe jwang
So when I obana back in the days it was nice. It was not like now. Even though Nagabloma go Carlton Center, Kamumra Carlton Center, Marshall Street, when I go White House Hotel.
Yeah.
Negrula so and go hotel in Nagabloma go on. In a little story. First floor in the Chiefs. Second floor in the Jomo Cosmos. Third floor in the Pirates. So Botiko Bukwani, Bo Dennis Vukubi, I don't know if you still remember Dennis Vukubi that was playing for Chiefs.
Yeah.
Bo Jabupule, Bo Lucky Phillips, Negrula Same, Bo Patrick Mbutu, Negrula Same Hotel, all of us.
Okay.
Marabadala Chiefs, Pirates, Cosmos. So walking distance to Carlton Center, obviously, I can't shooting yana one so you made a Carlton.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't get change.
Yeah.
Happiness in yana we already ish no so stuff yana sa in the emblem.
Yeah.
We hate one, we hate.
Yeah.
But well, one of the TV.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So yeah, it was like it was fun when you skip to say Mutanke Bolo Siras Bonoraman. This thing it doesn't matter it can happen to any kid. Maybe why can say or lucky. So lucky enough back in the kana go tsela tsa rona ngwaneso o no sena a difficult bo boleng teng ngwana jwale ba ore o so kena disking ka go tseba mang time lo tseba mang wa bona no ha isa le mnati back in the days ne ga di training ba o select o kena ka merit ya go tseba ball yes
a re kubisetse go morawa hanya o try for 3 minutes monna o entseng ka 3 minutes monna 3 minutes monna is too much monna e go re inyane too much yeah
popse ne ke itso kere o bona ho ya ka nna ne ke na hanne hore trial lane it was just for Palacios maybe I wanted something as I bonang ko Kronstadt
yeah.
already for ba ntshitse transport o e late so it means hore hona le ntho a e boneng mara be bono shotanyana yona eo ya e boneng ka 3 minutes so ke nahana jwalo ngwaneso because you can't just say transport e late motho Free State mo tlise Gauteng instead of ka bontso boleletse motho o palama taxi o tle Gauteng so I think hona le ntho e no shota fela na batla ho e bona
ona ntho nyane nyane
yes so we born in that 3 minutes
yeah
yeah
so kana ko wa o kena o promote so dlala le Grootman
Sure.
no dressing room yona di ntshang o jwang because ke a utla ba re di tension di na
it
lo ba
was
blind
hectic
yeah
it was hectic ngwana mme o no le boima because re na le Magotmane ra na le bo ke ga phahlela
khale ba le da o ba thola da
na le bo Kevin Lane
yeah
o na le bo Clinton Lassen
yeah
o na le bo Warren Lewis Magotmane
Magotmane.
so na le site ya bona mo ba parelang ko
Bomkababa.
bomkababa ya bona le site bo Andrew Sibula
Yeah,
Super Sub.
yeah.
so ne bona le site ya bona mo ba parelang ko teng re na le site ya rona dintwana re mo ra parelang
Is
ko
it?
teng yeah
But ke same
dressing
team.
room, yes.
Same dressing room.
Yeah, but una le Magotmane ka kwa ene mind you wena ngwaneso ne re ba tshwarela di Cox ba le hlela mo la go di rintwana ne re clean di Cox tsa ra phahlela ngababa re clean di Cox a ntshela go mfana ke Magotmane but no tjeno ka se etse ready
Yeah.
yeah siya beke ka mo transporting because ne re batwa ke le bus 22 seat
Yeah.
ne re nka go tswa bo sgele re lata training kaofela re jimela mo Megawatt Park
Ne tuna ke eng daiding ya hore Magotmane ho na le some sort of division to dintwana ke eng to
I think ngwaneso everywhere ko ranteng hona di seniors wa bona everywhere ko le go di family ntse re tswang ko teng hona di seniors o ka se dule mo stulong motho a moholo a dula fatshe Wa e
oh
bona
so
leyo.
you know ba respect le reng lena le tlale ka
wa e
yona
bona. So back in the days it was like that gore dintwana tse nyane di dulekwa Magotmane ba go mo site wa e bona bo di Cox ja ba re jima pula ena di le diretse ba di tlwella fela ona mo tshwanetse o tle wena o to di clean
Yeah.
wa e bona leyo.
Eh.
Yeah, it was like the body was fun ne re sa bone nix wrong
yeah
ne re sa bone
because ne le na ba le inspire from khale le ba bona
for
ko
sure,
TV
for sure manis
yeah
for sure
so in terms of di zaga ho etsalang ka lona nako eo je go ba le promote from go teaming
ah no sina chelete manis
Yeah.
there was no money because re dula ko accommodation is for free re ja dijo tsa mahala re apara diaparo tsa mahala so there was never for allowance that time I joined Pirates never for 450 4 clipper 50 ka 1999 up until I left Pirates I sama go Pirates and I promoted 1999 I left Pirates 2001 2002
yeah
I left Pirates ke thola 950 ka
Oh,
kgwedi, yeah.
okay.
So you can imagine 4 years o thola ba ikhuputsi ha ke thola promotion ke ba ikhuphula to 950 but the time ntse re le ko fatshe it was 450 and then ba ibitsa allowance
ne le alawe
yeah I need allowance
so le ntse le dula ona mo
Ntse re
Marshall
dula-
Town
yes ntse re dula mo Marshall Town ko White House Hotel
Yeah.
but we moved to Lee State ko Hillbrow we moved to Lee State flats where nna ne ke share le tso Vilakazi a flat yeah and
Alright.
then he was lucky because he's the one who out of Rona yena le Thabang Khatebe they were placed temer they were ke bona ba tletseng
ba tletseng nako
yeah ke
teng.
bona ba tletseng yeah for sure
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ke ile ka mamela somewhere o bua hore o ile wa re o ntso dlala da ko Pagania o ka ra azange wathola game ya o dlala ko groundong like line upong ken every time atlamele o ye line upong o bana le di injury ona le injury hlaelang out of nowhere kore how thomo re wa dlala o ba le injury
Yeah.
during the week ka ba ready o be sharp mara ntso ye campong kwa rona le injury nyana tse dingwe ne di itla so
Yeah.
so
Papsini, hona le ntho tse ding tse etsahalang tse strange ngwaneso ha o ka re bolella motho o mong o tla ra a di ntho tse wa hlanya motho wa bona strange motho o bolella motho wa hlanya gore because also kopane le yona that
Yeah.
ha iso etsahale
yeah
I remember the other time Dr. Ivan Khoza isale like he always say that ha o fihla Papsini o tlo bolella ge mfethu ntho e leng hore ya o phedisa you must do it if you go high le tlola mello if you go high le tsa what go home and fix yourself
Yeah,
Wa
tsa
bona,
mo jumpa
yeah,
mollo.
and o tla o gaza ka gore go home and fix yourself
Yeah.
Wa bona? So le nna ntho tse ne di tsala ngwane so ne di nshoka because ne ke na lo mo line up o bona go coach o prepare ka nna wa bona because of thole go Joseph Ngako lemetse or Steve Lekuli maybe the bookings whatsoever they will end up taking Brandon Silent to play winger
Stepeza.
Or- yes
And
wa bona.
Anna Pace.
Wa understand
Yeah.
like, they end up doing all those
Yeah.
things because ka final day ha ke tshwanetse ke campaign teki ha ikeng or Cox ha ikeng
Lonto Rui
wa bona but after the game ke sharp
and ka nako Grootman Joseph Ngake o lemetse
ka nako go nna le
ayo
Kgawathile, ha.
Kgawathile wena o re o substitute ya
Ke
hae
tshwanetse ke be substitute
and
because I
and
know him.
di ja fast
And le mona di ja fatshe pe.
di ja fast
Eh, le mona di ja
ke a
fast,
tseba gore wena no kitima
And ne sa
vele
le ntwana ka nako,
no
wa tseba le-
no sa matha
wa tseba le yena ko
Yeah.
gym, re ne bana le gore ba re sprinte.
Yeah.
Ne ke sa mo utlwe.
nako
Wa tseba Kgawathile.
Helman Mukhelele na le
Bo
teng
Helman Mkhelele, Midnight Express.
but le yena ne di ja fast
Yes, phela remember Helman o na dlala ka mo left.
yeah
Joseph wa dlala ka mo right.
Yeah.
Neng Stephen Lekwele wa bona.
Yeah.
So if motho so a Kgawathile, we expect le gore ke nna
yeah
a tshwanetseng a replace.
Yeah.
But when it's your turn, you're injured. That is why I can't blame Pirates or azange bamfa chance.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, la ne ke tshwanetse ke thole chance.
Yeah.
Ho no bana le those things still.
so wena no na no re ntse o ni di etswa ke
Eish, ngwane so gana go fihla mola magotmane ba tlo o bolella ba re mfetole rona ra rapela o ka se tle mona le naked o ntse o re wa rapela you must o kila bona sa believe go dinthong tse tsa bo ditlhare bo diwatwat ngwaneso wa bona mara ne ba bolella magotmane like nna motho e ne ke le closing yana ha hanyane le ena ke mgababa bona godmane na mpolella ga mfana ke thi mo a sa mmao
yeah
yeah mo a sa mmao o tshwanetse o tele go na ga rapela le so yeah you must be careful so ka hopola le ntho tse Dr. Ivan ala di bua bona go mo o tshwanetse o tie because ntho tse tlhellang strangely bro ka re bangata ra hona le majita ba tswang ko ntle di country tse tswang ko ntle you don't know batho ba ba Spanish
Yeah.
re share dressing room re di 40 you don't know what is happening mo ha re fitla ka sane ka o se ha we one ha eo or coxie one ha eo after 2 days e khutlile coxiela wa enka ignorance so wa bona wa ignore ntho engwe le ngwe coxia ka nile kae why se hlile wa ibona ngwaneso so ntho tse ding di affect haholo
so ba ka ntle ke bo manna ba dlala ba ko ntle nako o le da
ho nona le Dennis Lotter ho nona le
Opara
Willem Opara Sempem
yeah
Guy Roger Nzeng
Yeah.
there were so many
Yeah.
there were so many bo Innocent Chikoya
yeah
wa ibona bro
I remember at some point
so many.
go Pagania no na di player o kre ka mo midfield ke player tsa go ntle fela
Yeah.
tse dlalang da
yeah remember Sempem o na dlala mohara
yeah
na le Sempem o na le bona bo Guy Roger Nzeng
Yeah.
ho na le na ba le there were so many
There were so many.
Dennis Lotter ka mo
Yeah,
there were so many.
Chisampamo.
Chisampamo,
Yeah.
so ne ba le bapaya ngwaneso
Yeah.
ne ba le bapaya so I cannot falter them or I cannot blame anyone or razanka to
Yeah.
chance of dlala there was
Yeah.
quality there
yeah there was quality
yeah there was quality
Yeah.
yes
Yeah.
and then twin kentseng gore ke tsamaye go Pirates it's after ba promoter bo Joseph Makhanya ba
Yeah.
promoter bo Gift Lreni
Yeah.
ba promoter bo
Cheese
Cheese
Boy.
Boy
Yeah.
ba nthola ra bo Phumuzo Manenze
Yeah.
and then
Bo- bo Excellent Walaza.
wa bona
Yeah.
and then ba fihla bang overtake ba ndlalla
ba
pele
dlala pele ka issue ya o no na le
Wa
yona
understand,
wa
so,
bona re sa
yeah,
so
yeah.
but before o tswa go Pagania ne
Yeah.
obviously ho na le moment e le reng no rata ka Pirates
yeah
obviously there's something e le reng there's no way o tolo maybe no na challenge ya no le mala fela eng
Yeah,
but
for sure,
there was that moment e le reng you would say you talk about it in terms of Pirates or Emirates team ele man
Yeah.
ish wa tsba ke team ele
wa bona when is growing up supporting Kaizer Chiefs ne my wish was to play for Kaizer Chiefs ke le ntwana because ke a e rata njengoba ko chaise ka re ne ke rata Thabo Moki blind
Yeah.
so but Pirates wa tseba o ka se choose go ya kae ngwaneso Pirates gave me a chance ke le ntwana ke a tsebagala today because of Pirates ing feel that chance
Yeah.
ya gore ke fihle Gauteng wa bona
Yeah.
a ke tsebe go nka be ke le kae if it was not for Pirates so yeah di teng di moment mara di moment tse ngata haholo tse memories tse ke nang le tsona ko Pirates ke tsa reserve team because we used to play against Pirates first team
Yeah.
and re ba bontsha di Flames
Ne le paza.
and re ba bontsha di Flames
Yeah.
and I was always on top of my game
Yeah.
together na botso letsola lebitso la scooter ke lefile ke tso because Tso was playing in the middle una e hlaba space fela ke ba siya ke shapanet
yeah ntse ke batla o tsisa gore man le bitso le la scooter le ntle ke le tswa
Lebitso le
kae
la scooter.
ka gore ke a tsebe gore ka pace ya ne dia
lebitso la scooter ke le ga o ke Tso vila guys
eh
yeah
Oh.
I'm not going to for some pizza scooter since we do from that but ke tsalo sotho ke matha o tshwana di dipere
yeah
yeah ba re mathiso ke dipere le sotho
ish yeah
so I'm fa lebitso le nickname ya scooter
Yeah.
up to this day
yeah
Yeah.
and it blomme yo
le dutse ngwaneso
so from mo he ha se tso ta o tswa jwang go Pirates o shift
ko Pirates wa fihla Mr Dumisane Ndlovu ko Mayfair Ndlovu a fihla ko Mayfair go ne re jimela go teng a nthola nna ne ke le metse Ndlovu ona bino di Premier United so ona batla di players ha fihla la so a fihla selected players nna ne ke sa train that time because I was injured njengoba go joza ke re ne ke phela ke le metse mara ke sa tsebe hore what's wrong
yeah
a fihla o selectile di player I think he took about 9 players ba viable dlala Bino United that time Bino United was in NFD ba dlala NFD Machita ba vaile tadi yang sharp abon ke re mara ke tlo dula mo Pirates up until when ke sa dlale ka officing ga fitla officing ka bua le Sizotwa delete Sizotwa may soul rest in peace una mfostana blended sister enhla ka ofela le sister
ke a utlwa ba re sister le nana le pelo e ntle sister ole na sa kgethi yeah she was a shoulder to cry on
kaya ko officing ko Parktown na ke fitla ka mtshela ka re sister e ke kopa vaya man ke kopa loan yana at least ba loan la Cape Town ku Avondale Atletico emakhaladi hey ke fitla mo le coach le vela mplela hayi you too skinny you can't survive in Cape Town
o ka se lo
before I can even give me a chance to play before I can even give you a chance to play na comes in the bus from Park Station
yeah
to Cape Town 24 hours so magana go fitla the next day akufitla as a coach I'm too skinny I can't survive go Cape Town ka fonela Augusto Palacios ka mtshela ka re coach ya impatla that man I'll never forget his name Johnny Ferreira I'll never forget his name so from Cape Town but ke Durban so from Cape Town I went to Durban United then akifitla ko Durban ka signa what's about first game ya rona le re dlala leng Avondale Atletico first game ya rona ko Durban ko Kingsley Stadium
yeah
shapa 3 goals
wapaza strong
wabona ngolo muthu ogole ngize ngusiki
wabashiya
shapa 3 goals abasha training
kana ku udlala ku side
ke dlala ku side wing dlala wing coach wa ke time le lengwe la bora le ena may soul rest in peace coach Junior Njel go bene apparently that Durban United it was Lawrence Ngubani's team and Lawrence Ngubani was unaspana ko Pirates unaspana ko Pirates le time le yes
so kazaka ba reng mo wena batho ba
akifitla ko Durban o tlo gola 3000 sharp
kining kana ko ke 2002
2001
yeah
2002 that's why ke ko Pirates ke vele ko 2002
yeah
so wakufitla Durban khodi ya pele ya fela barka di envelope ni slim wabo so I thought ke check ka mohara no when ke the time di 200 notes again wa bula mo la ke 200 tse2 fourthly ba ntela Pirates ya khutla vile o tsalang ba tse ke tlola 3000 phone call again hey coach can't do it tsala Palacios guy nna ke sa dula mo ke khutlela mrao ke khutlele Josi ke ba siya ba le jwalo taba tsa tlhela ntsha ke tseba ke ro tsalang ke re ba loan I don't know no ro tsala khutlele mrao ko Pirates a ke fitla ko Pirates a ke late Sizotwa vile because Sizotwa ne le ena motho le go gona bua le rona sister a ka tsama shapa so ke kopa loan somewhere else I ke bona go ba mpaizisa I took a taxi Majita I mean transport ya Binoni ha tlola ta Majita go Josi ka kena mo ka kena le bona ka vaya ka Binoni ka va le bona
go sna mthotsi ba ngro ya
ha ke fitla ko Binoni ka fitla ka bua le Mr Ndlovu Dumisani le ena is late all of these people they are late in fact ha ke fitla mo le Mr Ndlovu ne di kopa o jima le team ha o tlile la so ko bona o tlile to select the player but I was injured ntwe o ile mfela mbutsa go mnandi ndoda kara o tla iponela ka kena mola ka hlanya from that he took me to his house ne ke bloma le ena mo Bedford View ke iketse nna one man and then anka mpe ya go ka dula Bedford View le up until nna ke tseba ke le on loan go Binoni up until Pirates in Patla back then Dovera nna motho ke mo rekilo o ron rekilo mang even today nna I don't know ne ke tseba ile loan
yanong that time o le go se tsamaile o dlala di injury tse le ne re utshwenya se ntse lo
nothing ke dlala ka chesa Pirates ke kora weekend ngwe lo dlala Pirates ke kora ke bile famous mo ne se ke kora Pirates ke nka bolo from center line ke tribula motho ka fela ke lo kora
uija
go Jimmy Stadium I shot 2-1
ba re mo Palacios kana
that's when Dr Ivan ba la ke khutle back ko Pirates wa thola hala gore ba nrekisitse so I don't know if Dr Ivan o la thola gore ke mang nrekisitse I don't know because Lena he was shocked
mara o
because he thought that is why Dr Ivan is too busy bro he's too busy for ntho tse ding that is why ona le batho ba spanang why you understand so somewhere somehow batho bana lo nano ra mfano ke loke Dr Ivan ka se bone why what hore o vaile jwang so my move even today I don't know who sold me to Binoni Premier United ne ke tseba ile loan so Ndlovu le ena ke ra nna mtho ake if la mmatla ke mrekisa then Pirates ba ka se buy player bona back
Yeah.
and ka mona le dintwana ba cheese
Eh.
hona le bo cheese
Eh.
hona le bo gift ring
Eh.
wa bona so you
Yeah.
can't buy your player back
Yeah.
so kadula ko Binoni ka idlala ko Binoni I enjoyed my football
Yeah.
and rekela koloi Mr Ndlovu nyoku inele sharp even though sometimes inika sometimes isazwakala
Yeah.
but ni understand ukuthi team enyani
Yeah.
wayibona so
Yeah.
we like a family bo Tshepo Masilela
Bo Tshepo Masilela, eh.
bo Bennett Parker bo
Eh.
Brian Khafani
Eh.
we were a team we were together
Ay team ele ne le strong
Too
ele.
much.
Yo Binoni.
Sa sabe motho
Team ele ne
Yeah.
itlaele.
we were like so brothers
Eh.
a family there
So why tsalang ka Binoni because I know o ka re sale wa ba le ntwe le re change e rekisiwe e etswe
Yeah.
Hellenic.
Mr Ndlovu felt hore we were too good for NFD
Yeah.
which in Elivar
Yeah.
ne re dominate and ne re dlala coastal remember ke rona le inland le coastal phela that time ne di streams e2 before ba mvela by convert or be streams e1 it was two into inland and coastal so rona ne re dlala coastal ne re sena home game re dula Binoni mare di home games tsa rona re di dlala Newcastle so you can imagine so ne re dominate that side
Yeah.
ra thola promotion unfortunately wa bona le di cases tsa di behind doors ba re Binoni tla ditse mamang ana di bookings
Yeah.
then wa promote Amazon
Yeah.
instead of us
Yeah.
then pelo ya Mr Ndlovu ya ba bohloko
Yeah.
a reka Hellenic
Araka Hellenic.
then Hellenic banka Binoni and mind you Hellenic nka Binoni re le number 1
Eh.
ko league rona re nka Hellenic le number
Msela.
16
Yeah.
number 16 or 18 how many teams there I can't remember
Yeah, ka re ne le
Yeah,
18
ka re ne le 18.
ko PSL ya.
Hellenic ke number Msela
Ke na ba Msela.
Yeah.
Ene ka kwa lefa number 1.
Bofuyere we playing for Binoni United
Yeah. Kana kwele lefa number 1.
re fa number 1 but fa number last because pelo ya Mr Ndlovu le bohloko ra ntwana tsa ka deserve ba ko PSL
So mara di player di ile di avaya. Ho change fela di player sharp sharp.
ntwe change fela ke lebitso
Ke lebitso.
ba le Binoni with their
Yeah,
players
ba le bankile yeah, the way.
then anka
Yeah.
Hellenic with his players
Yeah.
then radlala ra winner but it was too late
It was
because
too
ha
late.
reka Hellenic in the second round
Oh.
o rekile Hellenic se second round
Yeah.
but he had a belief ko rona ya hore re ka survive isa team because na first time le blind
Yeah.
so na le believe le hore bafana ba ba ka survive isa team
Oh,
unfortunately
esa.
we won games ra winner ra throw ra winner but it was too late
Yeah.
it was too late
Second round
then the
ne
team
se.
got
Yeah.
relegated we went back to NFD then ra khutla ka promotion
Yeah.
ra thola promotion straight to the PSL
Yeah.
yeah
Kana le dladile for how long ko PSL?
re dladile ko PSL re dladile up until he sold it re dladile from 2000 and, was it 2003 or 2004
Yeah.
up until I buyisa team to a change albitso I register to Durban ba Thanda Royal Zulu
Oh,
Yes.
Thunder Royal Zoo.
so the time I register we were still in the PSL
Oh.
Yeah.
So why tsalang ana ko paisa team di player why tsalang ka tsona?
like ke chongwane it was difficult ne
Eh.
because ne re le campaign pre-season wa bona ko kopanong sa me hona ko Binoni ne re le campaign ka tsa pre-season o tlile ko campaign a introduce our new coach was supposed to be Steve Kompela o tlile Steve Kompela for a week rajima how ke wo Mr Ndlovu a kena le Mangamla hey o stop trading ra bitsiwa kaofela mola hey that man he was arrogant Mr Ndlovu yes he just called us and then gentlemen the team has been sold and I have sold the team no kana go na sa tsana di contract wa bona heaven and then abala July Mahlangu ka Tlauloke Tshepo Masilela Bennett Parker Thabo Mabaso Tshepo Mashishi you're not part of the deal
Mahlambi.
no bomhlambi nka even na survive go na sampana teng I can't remember
Yeah.
but I know hore o badile majile bentse ke ba hopola
Yeah.
or you're not part of the deal I am nagarai ke kopa chief yeah then that's when I left with Mangamlaba
So how are you not part of the deal meaning le tlo sala le
yeah
yena?
meaning rona go sala le
Wala kwala.
that's what happened to July Mahlangu Puraka that is why ke uthaka today it was sad to see July as na team what a good midfielder you know him
Yeah,
just
yeah,
parents
can see,
in Mata Chiefs in Mata he couldn't go because Mr Ndlovu felt hore re bana ba high
Yeah.
mo bona so bona sa batla hore re anyway because le nna Pirates ya mpata le Tshepo Masilela then before to ya Israel these big teams they wanted to sign us but he refused so like yona deal ya Thanda he said his players say bona le ole o they're not part of the deal and then that time Tshepo Masilela ke ya via Israel
Aya urkan.
yes
Yeah.
wa bona ai nna ka ra nna ke ya via ra itsamaya I better the devil you know than the devil you know. Let me see this one that I don't know.
Yeah.
Because ninen ra khola ninen ngar khola what karare ke vai global. Ah bro.
Yeah. Then we are Hutanda no.
Yes.
Yeah.
The best move ever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Best move ever.
Zaga,
Best move
everything
ever.
else, yeah.
Best move ever, Manisu.
Yeah.
7 years Kopi United, I left with nothing except the car that he bought. And
Hey.
minus.
Eish.
My house was repossessed to go Crystal Park.
Eish,
I bought a
yeah.
house called Crystal Park when I was coping on.
Eh,
But
eh.
it was repossessed because of there was no income.
So it repossess you only dark opinion.
No, it repossessed wakili debe.
So tebe.
Yeah, sekele go thanda.
Because nesetse o sa tlhelo sa gafa o
Nena
etsa.
ba ke sa kgona ho cover
Yeah, no ka salo.
skoroto sela,
Yeah.
it was already late because of no so fitile so many months ke sa patale go Crystal Park because nyuko ine tla neng sa zwakala neng ya zwakala neng ya zwakala.
Yeah.
So o tla o tlile nyuko today o ka se lo patala ntlo ene ka o sa na hona dijo. Wa bona polelo ga ntlo tla manyane ke tla cover.
Yeah.
Up until it's too late. Ya repossessiwa dlala. Ke le go Durban ba phone di lawyer what ka sala le sekoloto se seng se tshwanetseng ke se patale vie. Does not mean o repossessiwa ntlo sekoloto se fedile.
It's fedile.
Wa bona?
Una le dilo tse ding.
Sana lo santsane o patale that balance ba re receive ntlo ba
Ba rekise less,
ka 2
wena sentse o etse.
wa bona tshwanetse
Yeah.
cover yeah but ka
Eish.
patala maneso that is why ke tshokere ko thanda best move ever because I managed to buy myself again a house ko Cleveland
Sure.
yeah
Sure.
which today I'm proud to say I get
Yeah, ukrenda uyikoloti, yeah. Eish.
so money wise ko thanda 3 years 7 years with minus with losing things 3 years with yes even today
Yeah.
Kisha.
O sa ba lebo. Yeah.
Because those guys they gave us money.
Yeah.
What feel chelete maneso.
Yeah.
What feel chelete mangamla bana.
Yeah, ke ile ka utlwa man
Yeah.
re Thanda vele ne tshwara majita sharp.
Yeah, thanda ne ba tswere grand ngwane so up until by senior bona again because remember mangamla ba tswa Sweden ne. And then ba fihla mola they signed the likes of Abu Peter Ndlovu. I'm not saying it in a bad way.
Yeah.
They wanted to
And ba monka ko Sundowns a gola tšhelete nngwe e hlanyang
Wa understand?
ba mo tlisa ra.
Nkosi Nathi Nhleko,
Yeah.
Peter Ndlovu, Clement Mazibuko, Patrick Mayo, Skara Ngobese,
Yeah.
Sergio,
Yeah.
Bennett Nguni.
Yeah.
Bennett Nguni remember not overseas.
Yeah.
Udlalile Champions League mthuna makazidane. Came back so you can imagine. Wabona?
Mara Thanda lona ne paza. Nakwe the late Clive Parker le da ne setse o vaile
Ah,
mo
ne
teng.
setse ke vaile.
Yeah,
Ah,
ke
ne setse ke vaile.
ke opela squad se
Yeah, ne setse ke vaile.
ho ne se zo
Yeah,
vaile
ne
da.
setse ke vaile nna ya.
Oh, so after that go ntwina ko Royal da ko Thanda.
Yeah.
Wa etsa jwang wa ya kae and then
Ko Thanda Royal Zulu ngwaneso nena ba ke vaya. Ne ke ipoletse go lo retire ra. Unfortunately njengoba ko jotsa gore the big names came ne and the team was no longer doing well. Se re lwanela relegation to survive. So it was hectic, it was bad. Kamo coach o sana le di-player tsa hae a sa dlala rona wa bona. O tla these big names, obviously you can
Yeah.
bring big names and the next thing you put them on the bench.
Yeah.
And at that time I'm a winger, Clement Mazibuko is a winger.
And ba gafanyuke pa.
Bagafanyuke pa, wa bona le nyo. So these people they have to play. Wa bona. So remember le Bennett Parker o tlile kwa.
Yeah.
Le July o tlile, July ke le ka mo tsa ka ngwana mme tlo bapala bona.
Yeah.
Most of the guys ke ba tlisitse ko Thanda.
Yeah.
Zwakala nje ntse re tlo dlala. Ba zwaketse majita. Ra ipusha unfortunately team ya relegate ba rena se ke vaile. Because ne ke sa hlole ke dlala. Then Dr. Jomo Sono he came to Durban re dlala le our last game in re dlala le Sundowns. Ko Hammarsdale Stadium hona ra ko Mpumalanga se after Maritzburg. Ne re dlala le Sundowns our last game. We won 1-0. I scored the goal, man of the match. Kanti Dr. Jomo Oda Stadium. After the game, utlile amplela ga kopane go hotel holiday inn ko Durban. I went there after amplela gona ke go batla mfethu. And obvious contract again e fela go Thanda. And se ke bona le the way coach e wa leng gamla ntritang ka teng.
Yeah.
Wa bona.
Wa bona.
La ke dlala that game ne ba tliste Professor Ngubane. Professor Ngubane gave me the chance. Are lo ke dlala bolo mo dlala go.
Oh yeah, I remember before.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they brought him go to service a team.
Yeah.
So wa fihla o fila ga loke tsa mo dlala bolo ne dlala ko Pino dimfana kithi hamba yomhlanyela lapha
Yeah. Plus akro mtsiba ke motho wa dilo tse.
yes ra hamba yomhlanyela
Yeah.
ka ba free ka dlala monate ka kora ra wina 1-0
Yeah.
ya chaya game ka 1-0 ka ba man of the match after mole team ya relegate wa bona nka se renew contract lori I'm not wanted because there were rumors or after ba wina if we survive the relegation professor ba tlo mo faisa o tlo khutla the same coach so Mr. Jomo Sono a tla ra so a fitla ntšhaela gore ne wa mpatla go Cosmos that's when and then I joined Cosmos 2009.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now go fihla ku Jomo thola bomang.
Cosmos, there was like Mhlati, Avril Paddy, Bamusa Sono, Gerald Mdabi. Gerald Mdabi signed same year. Nale Gerald Mdabi fitile same day. Same year.
Natswa ka Mdabi, natswa ku Pirates na go.
Keep before to go Pirates. I mean, we look Pirates after Cosmos, I think. I can't remember.
Yeah, okay.
I can't remember Shapuru, Cosmos, I go Pirates, or go Pirates. I gave you show.
Yeah.
Ilebomang kunje. Busiza Dlamini was from Swaziland.
Wo tiko
No,
mkwadi.
tiko wakifika nasali ku Supersport.
Nesali ku Supersport.
Le la phone una vaya kufika.
Yeah.
Le mangkana. Nona le bomang kunje.
Bo Chris Katongo.
No, ne se ba vai.
Na basiye, ne se ba vai.
Katongo nasali overseas.
Yeah.
2009, 10, 11,
Yeah.
12.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke le ko Cosmos. Yeah.
Bianong da no yena dressing room ne le byang. Grootman ne le jwang yona in terms of treatment ko teaming.
To be quite honest with you, Brajay, unganyo majitakasi. Brajay, this thing mo mading. O frosta na diski ka pelo ya go fela ne o ntse mboka le tlogona bona di play.
Yeah.
Unfortunately ngwana mme a ke rena go dia change.
Yeah.
Cosmos ha ya ka batho gore Brajay ha gone go etsa dintho. E ka batho ke gore ona le ntho tse dintse sa etsweng right. Wa ibona.
Okay.
In terms of njengoba mbuza ka dressing room, the dressing room was okay as Majita, but playing wise wabona back then maybe nkare inesa nka ibe jwa ma it was difficult wabona because nerlalla who win all the time because of you always down there so kila bona how dlalo under pressure always sometimes the results are zwakali. So yeah, it was hectic, more like very hectic.
But the style of play sa Grootman, it's always different, man. Ever since Kishebella Jomo Cosmos edlala, I think most of the time akadlala ko Italy in a way. He's more defensive
yes.
than attack. And then akabeya motho tshwana le wena ona le pace ko pele ra ba shapa ka count. So wena diding you we phela utso dlala le bo July mahlangu batho ba le tsipang ba le dlalang and then o fihla mo o thole hore the whole play ya change structure sa disk sa change.
That was the case.
You affectile jwana.
That was the case when Ababzering affected blind
Yeah.
because there was a time Radala Chiefs ne. Remember I'm a wing I'm a attack. There was a time Radala Chiefs ko FNB I was told to work make Mtokozizi end. Kumtokozizi end ko ending I must go with him.
Yeah.
You know I'm a wing Mtokozizi end ulala central.
Yeah.
So you can see there was a time that little Pirates took tsamela upamanyisa.
And har winner ball so ntse bane o e buletse o kwa.
I must make sure hore upamanyisa ha dlala. I'm not that kind of a player.
Kurunya ka box to box.
Why want to
Yeah, cause Manyisa phelo matha ground go
For sure.
So meaning lo wena so ntse tlo ko winga o ye ko yena o lo maka.
It was difficult because that was new to me. I never nagatse bora ke dlala winga motho ke e ke mkhava ke right back. Ke drop off fitlhela set if right back ka ikupukile o shapa cross.
Ha o play ka motho. Ha o play ka motho. O play na ka game.
For sure.
Yeah.
Tshwanetse batho ba le bona ba play ka nna. But it was the other way around.
O ka sidlala. Yeah.
Ukazidlala so
Strength sa hore ka se sebo.
So yeah, it was difficult when it comes to those things. So like nna lo dlala ka defender tse 8. O tsholo ke nna ke di 1 kwa ko winging. You understand? There's no creativity.
And no shape your part.
I no creativity shapa pathu.
Le strike as shape part.
Shapa pathu strong.
Yeah.
Why what? Strong. Di ka le elbow ne ba bolela ba loke. Ska nna tolla mo re bo raile fu.
Yeah.
Sebedisa ka tso ra wena. Sebedisa. That's why motho master le elbow da. Ana elbow ya master. Sebedisa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, se re ba holo for go shapa di legend ka di elbow.
Yeah.
No. But mola you'll master something. If you know the hard tackler. Somewhere somehow you have to really something you go defend ka yona.
So that is for how long?
Since 2001 until 2012. Next I need 3-year contract. So why I end up disc is because of Cosmos Broag. I'm not saying Dr. Jomo, no. My contract expired. Roger Disa want to send me go Veti. Ke go Veti negotiate everything. Umponsa wish list ya high. Roger Disa his wish list even loke ka mo right wing ene ke time ona le bopelembe da a mo nagalo go batla zwakala ke pampiri wa sign ga qetile ba re nna ke na le option to renew contract ko Cosmos my one and that option a favor team exciting that's why when you see that is that contract is that to cover bafana aba too much sana bantu ba khawatha because we lazy to read very lazy to read and the agent kama ke mo ba jante because ba tsebo bafana ba they don't read agent se tla fela so bontshe mona ke tsolo negotiate ba re ba fa 200,000 ka kgwedi ba fa 2 million wena o signa fela the agent dia tsebo dia gaula that is why bafana ba still ba sampane ba tlo khawatha because ra ba tipa ra bua le bona they don't want to take anything from us.
So ke lebetse o botsisa ka agent sale wena o ile wa ba le di agent mo lifeng ene di ka di agents sale wa ba
tsona nna mo lifeng ya ka ke bile le agent tse 2
fair
and the thing the agent say my first agent was Clan Louis so I'm saying Clan Louis the DJ Clan Louis
DJ ke amtseba ya
Clan Louis came to our games anshashaya cara I didn't give him a chance phela that time was spona ko radio phela go di interviews whatever in the adverts what so ke ntse tsela zengwe ga di batla le rona go I gave him a chance unfortunately azang go spane then ka sign Mac Makap
okay
then nan Mac Makap we fought one is relwane strong Cosmos one side na Brazil se ke bile le one on one le Brazil o re mona na tlo fa 40,000 salary mind o ngwane se go thanda ke gola 18,000 Jomo umfa 40 can you see the difference
bye
then tshwara phone ke fonela Mike hey Mike Brazil o rumfa 40 o rumfa signing on fee ya 600,000 ha ke spane le Jomo Cosmos o batla ke go Maritzburg United they offering me same amount that I'm earning that I'm getting go same 18,000 so bona go benefit yena Mike he's the one who's benefiting then I signed contract ko Cosmos without him without Mike Makap then ankisa go di lawyer ntshwarisa
a rona le contract le wena
ngare breach of contract ke mkolota 40,000 what even today we love bona go ntwa bua mai so ka motsa ka re okay you my agent what have you done for me ke dutse 3 months ke sna span after ke vaile go thanda 3 months ke sna span ke sa thole salary Brazil na mfanyoko na ngkhulisa 3 months na mpena so ndekso sign le Cosmos because ne ke mo emetso right into right I was waiting for him to do the right thing but he never did the only thing he came as bona ke signile ke a dlala o sa hlahella go dipampiring di la duma di Sowetan hore I'm a crook I still remember this local is a crook he owes me 40,000
kana ko wena o khawathea go sina spani yena na u phonela u checka
he's got more than 100 players nasa nchekelo ncheke he's got more than 100 players some they are overseas una di player le ko rugby mfethu le man he doesn't care about this local who's local a tshwere botso vila guys a tshwere botshepo masilela a tshwere big names they are playing overseas all most of them so who is this local
so no sign ile contract ya nako kangkang
le sign ile na I think it was 3 years these people when they come to they will about tshepisa di sponsorship tshepisa di soccer boots about tshepisa imba tsa ba hauna le nix ke le ka thola nna from Mike the other time when I go to my house go Cleveland ke thola Alban Newman do you remember Alban Newman there's this guy who used to play for Amazulu walkulanyana so ba re Alban Newman na la Amazulu
okay
Alban Newman o spana le Prosport a ke ya Mike Makap a ke fitla ko ntlong ke thola de mane go nna ba re ba tlonka di picture frames tsa ko ntlong because now I owe Mike Makap it was big this thing it was big na project sala njutsa straight ara mo tloele ga a wisa court I'll be with you that is why go chela ke rena Dr. Jomo Mfethu I respect him that man because whatever that we agreed on nalien I was getting it except the signing on fee I never got my signing on fee but it's okay but salary yaka every month ne ke thola
ya ke ile ka utla ba di signing on fee ke ile ka utla ba re Grootman
o ka se lwane le too much wa bona ina taba e fitile ke tsa khale
mara na tshwarana sharp
salary yaka ne ke thola every month the only problem ke ba nne le yona go Cosmos ngwaneso ke hore there's no off day next Saturday off like a Sunday ba re twice
wa nyewe
on a Sunday o sena di game le FIFA calendar
di
ba re
joa
twice.
fast
So when ke tlo thola nako ka yo spenda le bana ba ka le
yeah
phone
le family yeah
wa bona family nje ke tlo thola neng ngwaneso
yeah
we have to fake an injury or be free
Eish.
wa bona it's not on ke yona nna ke yona fela ntwe ke ntseng hore ke ska hlole ke batla go dlalla Cosmos
yeah
wa bona ke yona fela tse ding tsa di training tsa di play ha rena taba wa bona gang ke bophelo ngwaneso as long as re gona go phela ga gona patala dikoloto but I was tired because ne ke sa gone thola nako le my family.
so after Jomo o re o ile wa bona re no a itabe ya disk le yona ka re tla paisisa
Yeah, after Mjomani njengoba kutshayela ke re ne tshwanetse ke ile ko Wits and then itsa ke fitla ko Wits ka ile hore Roger Disale a sa yona ke Pirates.
oh
Imagine ke bua le Roger today ka usane ha ke re bala pampiri Roger sa sainile le
ene setsa bontshitse plan ya hae
se tsampotse
o
plan ya
bontshitse re ko winga
so nna ho ya ka nna nkabe ke thabetse hore nkabe ke sainile nse se ke sainile
a o se so sainile o tla bona tse ding ko pele
Yes.
yeah
So it was difficult because I don't have clearance. Cosmos e re ke na le another year.
Eish.
Wa bona?
Yeah.
That's when it's e re ke itulele ko hae ye le ba ke na le yona e tla dula le
e
bona.
tla rula
Yeah, a ke re ba re ke ba exercise
Yeah.
ka chaela ntho ka chaela Endura Butla.
yeah
Endura Butla was a team manager then. I told him ka ra e ka dula le yona clearance yona ke sa bapala bolo. Ke tloela up until ho tla atli wa hopola atli ya Kempton Park.
ke tseba atle FC ya
Yes, then
Yeah.
wa tla da e khudumana ne owner a bua le nna ga zwakala mfethu tlo dlala.
ne ile komvela
Into lokumvela,
yeah
yes.
yeah
Zwakala tlo dlala mfethu wabo then I went there I only played 1 month le teng kgwedi ya fela re gole wa bona ke na le bana bro ke ya ko Kempton Park every day ka petrol wa bona kgwedi ya fela ha ona nyong ai ka rai re di jinga di
eish
Yeah.
wa felletsa wa moya
ya ka feletsa go wa moya ka itlwe
ka nako o itloela o setse o dutse le fro fase o bua le ena o explain
Foro ya ka ke ena
le bontshana
foro ya ka ke tsoko Cosmos o nvela ntšhaela ga mfethu tlwella di ding
okay
e jinde because at least in a certain business yana se re ipushitse le fro wa bona
Yeah.
transportation wabo se ke na di dikhumbi fro ya gona spana ko Toyota
yeah
so ankenya mo phela remember batho ba di taxi ba reka di taxi ko yena wa bona
Yeah.
so amplela ga mfetho re ba e khumbinyane one re tse plan yana re faisa bana ba skela while you still playing I bought quantum sampane ke dlala
yeah
the first one the second one the third one the fourth one wa bona then ka gona push at least business wise nyana
Yeah.
bona wa at least no se na le khumbitse 4
yeah
nema
yeah nka push
e re ke ipushetse bana ba skela
Yeah.
ke gaone le boloi because nka bantsha le fro a ke sana nako le fro ya
Yeah.
ka le bana I'm always away for what
yeah
then that's when ke gae
le ena se tsa bone re tlo affecta mentally
for
your
sure.
mental health is very important
yes yeah
yeah so tloa da so pusha diski so pusha business ya o sana taba le bolo
yeah ra pusha le fro ra pusha up until today wa bona babzeni mfethu that is why Majita while you still playing you still earning a lot
tlhakantsha
tlhakantsha bro waka
yeah e ba le
because the
something
moment o tlo batla tlhakantsha se tlo dlala
O
it's
late.
difficult to ntsha nyugu sa bone
a isa leyo yeah
because it's not easy
yeah
wa bona
Yeah.
nna ke ba ile khumbi ke sampaneng ke dlala mara e dutse close to 1 year 6 months isna span
isa tuning
mara ke patala 12,000 every month taxi da tura 12,000 every month ke patala
Yeah.
for quantum e dutse sa span ke na we driver fela nje ke zula nyana ka yona ke ipaki wa bona up until ke thola bana nya ba ke thomile ka bana ba 8 transport Centurion from Clayville to Centurion
Yeah.
Clayville to Centurion yeah so hape e batla discipline wa bona ha ona le motho a leng right like o tshela ke rena fro ya ka she's been there wa bona ase motho le mongwe maybe ba thola today how ka wathea ba utlwe asibale ba fame bana ba bona ke mthotse ka nako e right 2006 akuhlakana le fro ya ka until today we still together Wa
that's
bona?
nice
Yeah,
eh?
we still pushing so yeah ngwane so what I can say ke hore Majita hlakantsha sampane mo spa o thola something because it's difficult ngwana wa iponela lo yena ngwane ka di Sundays
yeah
wa iponela
yeah
Wa bona?
so how sheba ko mrao ke eng ntwe e loring maybe sale wa flopa ka yona mo kiring ya ka ofela from oqala o sa le ntwana
Yeah.
o tla until o tlo fihle mo lore mo mafelo because I get most of the time you would reflect back o sheba hore
yes.
ke flopile ka you introspect so wena o sheba ke eng e loreng e sane ke besale ka etsa so ka se ka etsa so
ngwane so tsaba to be honest and ntwe nkareng ko flop aso flop why because untwana o tswa Lesotho you never thought you'll be here in terms of dintho tsa bo di contract skela flop e nka e tjhong gore ke ska skela ke flop e ke tshone mo bolong a una flop because mo disking ke tlile ke le ntwana ke sa Frostan next ke khonne o dlala ko PSL ke khonne o dlala ko NFD with different coaches ke khonne o dlala under 20 national team ke khonne o thola offer ko Norway overseas whereby Mr. Ndlovu rejected it my bon that I didn't know about. I never knew nna ke una le batho ba ko Norway ba mpatla go tlile ka Nkosinathi Nhleko team ya Nkosinathi Nhleko ena dlala ko Norway. He called me alle overseas and plela re mona team e ke dlala ba o batla my bon so hape nkare ke flop nkare se flop ya na agent wa bon to sign things that you don't know. That is why it's critical one so and it's very important to why once you shapa signature tsiba go signela eng my bona na leng tsiba go signela eng because di pampiri tsela ngwana se di close mo tselo ngwe you don't know about ka o sane ke tla ke kentse take ya Adidas ko Cosmos sponsor ke Puma nene mbra J ha kwatile wa fine 5,000 wait one nene mbra J wa fine 5,000 a o mo tsa 5,000 ke angwa o potsa wa tsopola ka tshika tsatsile so tlile o rotse Adidas mo o no dlala mo lo apere Nike ka thula ka o sheba so those are the challenges how let's stop doing things especially signature
o sa bala o sa check
nkare ke yona flop ke yentse ngwane so mo disking ara re lete ngwana mme ha una next ke regretang ha una next ke regretang downfall ya ka ibile downfall ya ka one man ke le ka ba le surroundings tse pa we cannot blame other people once you sharp you'll have 20 people around you bomb milk up until they are happy ha ba se banana go fedile by distance so all those people that they were around me is a dintho di sex a hlole ke dlala disc not go ke khawathe ha sex a hlole ke dlala ball ke ba shift probably by putso go ke khawathe right one because of I lost the house go Crystal Park go Chilang ka yona then I posa ba right one but other than that mona mme I want to next enka full time re except yone ya signature fela ha re sign into se re di bona o tse go sign eng because ka sign it will come back to you you khawathe
so ke eng ntho ka itshalang ntwana ko kasi e lo reng e nya ko tswela pele ka disc mo life o mo motivator o mo guide hore aka tuna
o tseba mona mme nka ibuang in terms of hodlala or in terms of financial play
in terms of life ya sports nje go disking financially anything
babzen go disking ho tough and kana go rona it was tougher because there was no money now at least machita bona le nyo ha ke re bona le nyo at least ba bona di plats khona bo matlipo ya odimo 100,000 upwards wa ibona so ntwe nka tshwa fela ko dintwaneng tse nyane especially bo re le buile Mofokeng bo Mfundo Vilakazi o chabalala ntwana tse nyane tse tlang bo Zwane ko Chiefs I saw this boy ka ibona potential ana le yona nkara ka pick up the socks man Zwane he's got potential
una le yona potential
but it's like
ngare hayo da ngare ba motositse ba ka o etse
if that boy can listen to us a pusha nyana man a kenyana extra nyana not or maybe ram hatella wa no potentially teng wa umnati body structure umnati if nje basampaneni badlala so haba ka focus afela just for 10 years badlala ball focus nje ko disking the rest it's all fast you thola ndiri le teng that's the only advice that I can give them one just focus for 10 years o bona re nyuko ya how ya ball and the fortunate enough when Papzi ebana le yona no they always on camps during the weekend you don't have time to eat your money ipele zagaye and the other thing that I can advise one property reka cash o tsibo gore after disc una le ntlo ya wa itse ngwana mme mona te jwang una le ntlo sa ekoloteng la ka khawathe ya bana una le shelter the rest of the things ngwana mme ke di prepaid no ke di prepaid a sena motla ga se tla reka keres wa bona ngwana mme a sena motla ga se tla reka keres it is not like manje it's a must for wena go patale batho wa bona le prepaid no so the advice enga ba fanyona just focus for 10 years save your money buy property for cash they will thank me.
Yeah.
Serious ngwana. Because once you have a property psychology, o tlo ba sharp blind.
O tlo ba sharp.
Yeah.
No, ngwaneso, ke a leboha man. Ke a leboha for nako ya hao ngwaneso. Yeah man. Re tla ntse re le ena re ba bontsha le bona bafana ba batlang hore this is how we need to to push.
Yeah, and the last thing one is Kelly Wahul for this opportunity one
Yeah,
together with your crew Majita, Kopsi, Ndu Motia fellow
Yeah.
constantly one.
Yeah.
I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart when I make a
Yeah.
got this opportunity. Elomore, I've been around for long. Nalo and we met. We just met
Yeah.
and then that is why when I this say people that are close to you, they will never help you.
Yeah.
People that you think they will help you, they will never help you. But that person that is distant from you, abona potentially when outside they will always consider you.
Yeah.
Kale wa ngwane so for consider go ke be mo lo wena santana re tlo bona na hangata.
Yeah.
Because you gave me the opportunity le more batho ba paya, they should have done it.
Yeah.
But I cannot blame anyone.
Yeah.
It's survival of the fittest.
Survival of the
It's
fittest.
survival of the fittest.
Yeah.
So kale wa ngwane.
Sure ngwaneso, sure ngwaneso.
Hey, tjena.
Yeah, guys, re fihlile bofelong ba show ya rona. We are also available on YouTube, on TikTok as well. Please do follow us, subscribe. See you next time, guys. Sibonge. Danko.
Danko.